Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel City Learner. So today we are going to discuss about the how to calculate the trigonometric ratios for the all the angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. First we are going to find out the for 60 degree. So first we have to take a triangle. Equilateral. First we have to take equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the angles are equal, and if all the angles are equal, all the sides also be equal. So angle A, angle B, angle C is equal to, if all angles are equal, then it will be 60 degree, and all the sides in AB, BC, AC is equal to A. Let's A. Length is A. So now we have to draw a line from point A to on the line BC at point D, and D is the midpoint of the BC, and this line will be the perpendicular on this AD line is perpendicular on the BC line. So it will be AD perpendicular on BC, and it will be ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Both the angle will be 90 degree, and this BD is equal to DC is equal to A by 2, as it is the midpoint of BC. So see this triangle ABD. In this, angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle D is equal to 90 degree. So to find out the trigonometric ratios, we redraw this triangle in a fresh place. So that is ABD. Angle D is 90 degree, angle B is 60 degree, and A is, length of A is A, AB is A, and BD is A by 2. So now we have to find out the length of AD. From the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the length of AD. So hypotenuse is AB square is equal to BD base plus perpendicular AD square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem, and AB is A, BD is A by 2, AD we have to find out. AD is like this, A square minus A square by 4. Now simplify it. 4A square minus A square by 4, 3A square by 4. That is AD square. That means AD is equal to root 3 into A by 2, if you take the root. So we find out the value of AD is equal to root 3 A by 2. Now we can find the value of sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree, if it is the sine 60 degree, the opposite side is AD, and base is the adjacent, and hypotenuse, this is the AB is the hypotenuse. So now sine 60 degree, sine means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AD, AD is equal to root 3 A by 2, and hypotenuse is A. So sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Now cos 60 degree is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is A by 2 and hypotenuse is A. So if we cut AA, it will be half. Tan 60 degree is equal to sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, and cos 60 degree is half. 2 cancel, it will root 3. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. And if we got this 3 sine cos tan, we can find out the remaining 3. These are the reciprocal of this 3 values. Therefore cot 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Sec 60 degree is equal to 2, and cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Now we already find all the values, all the trigonometric functions for 60 degree angle.